Today, we're talking about 5 ways that you can use digital transformation to take your business to the next level. Let's dive in. Number 1, increase compliance and mitigate risk. Now, this concept is not the most sexy, but it's one of the most critical reasons for pursuing digital transformation. No one wants their business to be the next data breach headline. It's time to lean into technology to help you manage retention schedules, make your audit process a little less painful, and have real-time monitoring of security risks. Number 2, reduce costs and increase efficiency. Want to do more with less? Digital transformation is the best way to accomplish this. When you use tools like workflow and case management to help you move through a process faster, and automate repetitive tasks with technology like optical character recognition or robotic process automation, your humans can focus on human tasks. You can free up time to empower you and your team to focus on next level things like exception management, customer service, and innovative thinking. Number 3, make data-driven decisions. You may feel like you know your processes inside and out, but data can unlock unbiased insights. This data allows you to make the right decision in your business rather than following just what your gut tells you. Process mining tools and advanced reporting capabilities can help you better understand what's really happening in a given process. For example, who did it, how long it took, how it differs from the average. As we step into the world of intelligent automation, data will continue to drive more and more decisions. Make sure that you're taking the right steps so you aren't left behind. Number 4, improve employee experience. If you're working in outdated systems, to put it simply, your employees are frustrated. This frustration will ultimately contribute to a negative workforce experience, and that's a huge problem. According to Deloitte, organizations with the most positive workforce experience generated 12% higher customer satisfaction, and their 3-year revenue growth rate was 2.3 times greater than the average. Number 5, enhance customer experience. A digitally transformed customer experience goes beyond a new website or a sleek app. It focuses on integrated operating models with the customer at the heart. To truly transform your customer experience, you need to not only address the front end of your processes for sales and marketing, but you need to look at how processes downstream are completed to ensure that you're delivering on your brand promises. If done right, McKinsey & Company report that organizations can recognize up to 15% revenue increase and simultaneous reductions in cost. If you're looking for expert tips on how to get started with your transformation or looking to hone in on your approach, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to catch our weekly Digital Transformation Talk series, where we interview experts from around the world on how to make it happen.